Yeah. Yeah, I gotta look to see what it is. Well, it looks like it's got some water down there.
Water?
Yeah, I'll show you in a second. Did you have the screen on it changed before? Never?
That's the first time I had anything done to that phone.
Yeah, that's weird that happened then. Normally, like, if the person changes the screen and they don't know what they're doing, they mess it up, you know?
Trulicity is for type 2 diabetes. It isn't for people with type 1 diabetes. Don't take Trulicity if you're allergic to it.
Like I have some kind of water. I don't know if that's the reason. You see it right here. I just cleaned it up. Yeah, but everything else works on the phone. Just the mic.
I wonder if it's because the screen was did it happen when the screen was fine?
No.
So then it's probably just the screen. I'm gonna switch the screen, that's what I'm gonna do and see if it works. So it works on speakerphone, it doesn't work when you're not on speakerphone.
No, if it's on speakerphone, I can hear them. They can't hear me.
They can't hear you on speakerphone or nothing?
No, they can't hear me, period. I gotta use my Bluetooth to answer the phone. Without Bluetooth, I'm not talking. And then again, the phone was in, with that blizzard, we dropped the phone in the snow.
Oh, okay. The mic is right in there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So you don't have to tear it up. I mean, I would do it. We fix the screen. But I really would like the mic fixed.
Yeah, but you won't be able to fix the mic without a screen that's broken. That's just that it won't. That's not going to benefit you at all, because other things are going to go wrong. We got to get that out of the way. You know what I mean? It's like fixing the engine in the car and not putting tires on it. The tires are bad, then you have to fix the tires first before you do anything else. So I put the screen on there, see if it works. That might fix everything, and then that's it. You're good. Because a broken screen can cause that type of issue. It can cause many different issues.
Alright,
And then if that doesn't work, then I'll put the new mic in here. The one down here normally doesn't get messed up because nobody even touches that one.
the speakers working? All the speakers on it working?
I'll check it in a second. Once I put the new screen on there, we'll run some tests to see what's still wrong. But then we know it's not the screen. That's what I'm saying. We won't know if it's the screen that's causing it unless we put a new one on.
Right.
So we got to do that first. You just